Hi guys, so I will be showing you how you will be turning your assignment for the database course. As I told you in class that you will be creating a table in Microsoft Word, and that's where you can copy paste your results along with the questions and the query. To get started, you will click the Insert button, Insert tab in Microsoft Word, and then you will click the Table option. This is where you will create a table with 2 columns and 4 rows. For each and every question, you will be doing this. Then you can decrease the column width of the very first question. This is where you will provide the question number from the assignment, and this is where you will provide the question details that I gave you in the assignment, because you have like 14-15 questions, so it's easier for me to grade it if you can tell me the question number, your SQL statements, and then your results. So for example, select all books from books table. Then in the next tab, you will type SQL, and this is where you will give me your SQL statement, such as select star from books. Then we will select both of these cells and we will merge them. So in the layout, you have the option to merge the 2 cells by clicking on the merge cell option under the merge. And we will repeat the same process for the last one. Under the Layout tab, under the Merge Cells. Then in the row number 3, you will type results. And in the row number 4, you will paste your results that you run in your V2 Cloud environment, and then you will copy paste your DB2 results sets over here. If you want it to match the way it is in the book, well, in the book, the first row is selected and is given a slightly different background color, which you can easily choose from the Home tab under Paragraph. You can choose the darker background color, and you can repeat the same stuff for anything that you want. So here, if I go ahead and choose maybe like this color, okay, and also I can repeat that same color over here and the same color over here. And that gives you an idea as to how you will go about creating the table and pasting the results right inside the table. So for every question you will have this. So you can then select the table that you just created, you can copy it, and then you can post your response right below just like that. And this is how you can create your entire skeleton set for your different questions. You can just keep changing the question numbers. You can keep posting the questions, the SQL that you will write, and your results right down below here. And let me know if you have any questions.